Hi guys, this is just Freddie. Hey, nice to see you all. Hope you had a good Christmas. Toilets in Thailand. Yeah, it's a bit of a funny subject. Yeah, so what this is about is you'll be coming on your plane, flying from whatever country it is in the world, and the next thing is you land in Thailand, you have a cultural shock when you do actually see a proper Thai toilet. You need to be athletic to be able to use one, put it like that. Anyway guys, we're going to give you 5 or 6 big tips what can make all the difference between you having a great holiday and a very bad one, and a rush one at that. So the 6 big tips we're going to give you near the end, like everybody does. Not everybody rushing away, but anyway guys, is yes, when you land in Bangkok or Suvarnabhumi airport, you'll be obviously, we all know what a standard toilet looks like, but Thailand, the hotels and the airport, you will get a standard toilet. But once you get to the outskirts of Bangkok, you're going to have a little bit of a shock. So when you do get there, this is what they look like. You'll see a little picture there, and you've had a bad stomach. You've eaten something you shouldn't have done. But the video is 6 tips how to prevent yourself from getting a bad stomach. Yes. Well guys, I'm going to give you the 6 tips now, and one bonus one, which you're really going to love. Anyway guys, tip number 1, take hand sanitizer with you. That's, you'll see why when I tell you the rest of it. Number 2, always take a roll of toilet paper, or take it from the hotel when you go out. Because once you mix with those funny breed of Thai toilets, you're going to have a shock. Anyway, it's going to be fun. Yeah, and the real big one is no fluids. That doesn't mean you can't have a drink or a beer or a drink of some sort, but no fluids from the tap. No ice. Yeah, you can have a real problem otherwise. Can be having that ice. Yeah, you'll be doing a bit more than running. Olympics. Yeah, anything with fluids is not, especially you got a bad stomach like I've suffered with bad guts for many years, but I'm always very careful. And a good thing to put in your bag, there's plenty of Chemist in Thailand, Imodium, if you're out somewhere remote in the jungle, somewhere, it's always good to have that Imodium as an emergency backup. Alright, is there anything else? There's one tip actually I did forget, which is always very handy if you don't find things like settling too good too quickly. Have bananas, sweet Thai bananas, like Dr. Bananas, my wife always calls them. That's always good for settling the stomach. Yeah, I'm not Dr. Banana or Doctor, this is just my own experiences, what I've experienced of my time in Thailand, but everybody's different, Right, I can't just see if there's anything else. Oh yes, when you do eventually find yourself stuck with a Thai toilet, best thing to take your coat off, make sure you've got hand sanitizer and the toilet paper. You can't put paper down Thai toilets, by the way. It's not like Western toilets. And the most important thing of all, the biggest tip we're going to give you is, when you go on the motorway, always look for a disabled toilet. Is always the best. Is because they're normal toilets, but a majority of them are, sort of nearer to the towns and the cities. But the further you go out, the more remote it is. On the motorway, you probably end up with a ceramic type toilet in the floor, which is a bit odd. They are. But anyway, guys, most important thing is if you've got those essentials, what I was telling you to take with you when you do eventually use the toilet. And the other great thing I should have told you, if you do need to go to the toilet in Thailand, you know, it could be an airport or anywhere like that, is you need that one word, Hong Nam, which means the bathroom, but they know what it means, the toilet. Hong Nam. Yeah, I don't speak many Thai words. It's just a helpful one for you guys. So if you do need to go in a rush, you can say Hong Nam. Yeah. Just Freddy. Is yeah, and that disabled toilet is really the big one. What's really helped me many times. I can't bear using Thai toilets. They're really the pits. And while you're at the airport, anywhere else, guys, just a really quick one. Don't forget, we need support. We need thumbs up or subscriptions for somebody, you know, if you dare, be with Freddie. It'd be great if you could subscribe. It'd be very helpful. You know, we're getting somewhere along the way. We've got a few at the moment. But anyway, guys, it's a big thumbs up. Wishing you all the very best for the rest of the year. We'll see you on the flight to Thailand, because we're going to be on the very first one. Very sure of that. It's just Freddie. Looking forward to seeing you all, and thank you guys for your support this year. And we see you again later on in the next week or two. Just Freddie. Thank you.